In this video, I want to show you how to create a Windows 10 installation USB media from the official Microsoft site. To do this, you need the USB key, preferably 3.0 because 2.0 will be very slow. It will work, but it will be very slow. And it also should be 8 GB or more. You also need a Windows 10 PC to use it to prepare this USB key. So insert the USB key in this Windows 10 PC and then open your web browser and then go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10 and hit enter. Let me maximize this. And here you need to click under Create Windows 10 Installation Media, Download Tool now. It will be downloaded as you see here on the bottom left corner. Just wait for it to download. It will be very quick. And then after it is downloaded, just open it. Click Yes if prompted. And wait for it here. On the license agreement, if you want to read it, go ahead. And then click on Accept. You need to choose the second option to create the installation media as it is stated here. So click on Create Installation Media. Click on Next. And here it will detect what are you running on your Windows 10 PC. If of course you want to change the version here, uncheck this one and feel free to use the language you want and then the architecture you want. So here I'm gonna keep it on 64-bit English United States and then I'm gonna click on Next. And here I'm gonna choose that I wanna put it on a USB flash drive. And as I told you, it says that it needs to be at least 8 GB, and this is what I inserted. So I'm gonna click on Next here. And on this screen here, it will give you a list of all external drives that are attached to your PC. Here I have many drives, but I know that I want to use this one. I have a USB key, which is Kingston 8 GB, so I'm going to select it. And here make sure that you select the correct one and that you don't need the data that it is on it in case it had data, because everything on it will be wiped. So after you select the correct USB key, click on Next. And just wait for it to finish. It might take a while because it's gonna download Windows 10 from the internet and it will prepare the USB key for you. So I'm gonna cut this video and come back when this operation is almost finished. When the creation of the USB flash drive is finished, just click on Finish, and now the Windows 10 installation USB media is ready. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.